Good morning, Professor O'Neill. Week 5 of our Yummy project, June 1st, 2019. Well, this week we have a really good topic about our inner critic and how to be love and kindness toward ourselves and how to diminish this inner critic voice inside. Um, this inner critic voice kicks in a lot in my life. Sometimes there's true battle going on over there. What I should do if I'm doing things the right way, and maybe I'm doing this too much, and maybe this uh, inner critic trying to push me to be perfect. And I realized that I try to be perfect, too perfect, probably in my life, not only. In my personal life, but also in professional life, I used to be managing one of the sites at my with my employer, and I wanted to be like kind of very perfect over there. Um, I really was going beyond and anything to make work easier on my coworkers and prove that I can do it. I can do it, no problem. You can count on me every time. And we did. We had a good opinion. Our side did have a good opinion, but it came with paying a little bit for it. I left work. That's because of health problems and my body going down, which actually ended with having a health problem. So, and professional life, this critic kicks a lot, and lately, yes, it's been like, why the surgery? Why my son's surgery? Why this? Why that? Uh, and he was not letting down. So I kind of, yes, I mean, I went to my son's doctor's appointment one day, and the doctor said his neurologist said he's gonna need surgery right away. And so we had to, not even a week, we had to go into surgery, and things were from there. But the voice was getting like, okay, yes, right, you're gonna do all this, and you're gonna be following up with appointments, with schoolwork, with everything that's going on. Um, so, well, what I was supposed to do, well, that needs to be done, needs to be done. So we went for surgery, and follow-ups are gonna have to be done, and I can't help myself at this point. I can't help here at this point, and we're gonna have to just go to follow-ups or other schedule appointments. So as a schedule. Well, if it comes to having successes in life, so Professor, you already know that I have take this eating beast by the horns, and I have lost weight. I've been very mindful. I've been practicing mindfulness and try to lose even more weight. I just need more focusing on exercises at this point. I think more relax and exercises. So losing weight, that was my actual one major goal in life. Second goal, it was something that I tried to do with the organization I volunteer at. It was establishing group. We have been struggle with it for like 3 to 4 years. We have been struggling. We couldn't find other people who would volunteer, who would be interested. But finally, we did last year, and established actually group, and that is working really fine. And we're in process of establishing our own website, and I'm very happy for this. So I'm working on another third goal in my life would be, I promised Professor Lewis in my Wellness 330 class, I had an idea on opening business, and she was trying to really push me and try to really push me to do it. And I am on my way at this point too. Um, so um, yeah, so the inner critic is working while you put in so much on yourself. But I think this business idea is just gonna take off, and this is gonna be very good for for me, for us, for everyone. How I reward myself? That's a good question. So you could see probably I don't have much time to reward myself, but lately I started to, like I put in my PowerPoint presentation, try, my parents realized, like, my parents, I tried to get my parents to realize, well, you have two other children who can help you doing things. So it's just what you need to do, what you need to get done, what you need help with. Uh, I don't think my sisters were happy, but well, too bad. You are their child, and if they need help, uh, your obligation is to help them, help your parents. um, oh, yes, I was trying to help my buddy by going to physical therapy. I had actually closed this session of my physical therapy this last Wednesday. So, and I was given all kinds of instructions and exercise that I can do at home. So I will try to continue. And also, I will try to get into my exercise with this busy time. I think I can even do this. So my body needs exercise, like, yeah, tough exercise that would help me lose more weight. And I think I can do it. I'm saying myself, I think I can do it. So I better get to it. Um, I know it's probably not easy for me to like pamper myself just to go to massages or to go for manicures and pedicures or do any kind of spa. So I just try to think sometimes, and the exercise this week was just good because it helped me like kind of relax my skull muscles and my shoulders and my shoulders and and try to focus on the right thing I am supposed to do. I hope I can continue. Um, I think for Medicare and Pedicare, I went like year and a half ago, but I intend to do this for myself as well in the next week or so. Um, um, and I just want to say thank you very much, Professor O'Neill. I hope you're going to have a great day, and I see you next week. Thank you. Bye.